Hi and welcome to Keep Us Creative Flow. Today we are going to be making a baby welcome to the world baby card. We've got a program tomorrow, so yeah, I need to get onto it. I basically got to get onto it. I hope you guys are doing all right. I'll quickly show you the different things I'll be using. So the fabric tack, because this is kind of a handmade-ish type of paper. Got some jaggedy scissors, might use this or might just put it on the present. Pulled out a circle, got these CDs, they are called was it the dot to dot, I forgot, yeah, dot to dot letters and numbers, so I'll be using that to personalise. Got myself out a blue card, an envelope. This is, I've got this stand here, so I am actually out of space on the table, so I do apologise if you see me. Well, hopefully stuff won't fall off the table, but the shadow, yeah, there's a screen right just there. I'm going to work it out. The whole table is full of just stuff. So so what happened here, I used a stencil paste and just pasted on some silver paste. You're saying baby boy on there. I thought I'd make a change and go for Memento Tuxedo Black. So hopefully that will print better on this handmade paper. Still got the Distress Oxide and the Dauber out for blending. And that's the black soot. Also got a Sharpie pen and got this plastic safety pin and also a actual one to attach the fake one. So yeah, might use that, not sure yet. So first things first, what I was thinking of doing is put the envelope aside. Sorry, excuse me, just clearing my throat there. And then just do a rough gauge as to how big we want this. So we want it squarish. I'm just gonna cut this down. I want it to cover most of the page. Oh, I did a heart there. Oh, never mind. The heart's going, sorry. I do quite like this long strip at the top. Definitely keep that in. How much shall we do with that there? Because what I want to do is ink on the name on the bottom. So, but if it doesn't quite work out on here, what we could do is cut it off and then do it on the actual card. But hopefully it will just work straight off on there. So this can be saved for another project. Might use these strips though. Let's see if they work in the design, maybe inside. Oh, so that's fitted right slightly inwards from the actual card, so that's cool. But what I might do before we carry on is use the black soot. I could use a navy, but I'm feeling the black soot today because the ink is gonna, the letters are gonna be black, so yeah, let's use that. Thank you to the new subscribers and the long-standing subscribers. Really appreciate it. Got a notification this week saying I've got 100. Wow, that is mad. That is so crazy. So, okay, before we stick this down, because we don't know if the inking is going to work, do we? So what I'm thinking is, sorry, I've got to see if I try to push all this stuff across, I'm going to lose some bits and bobs. If I push that there, let me just try to, should have done this off camera really. If you hear a big bang, that means all the stuff has fallen off the edge of the table. Everything's fine. That's cool. So, so let's get the boy's name here. So, baby boy, and then I thought put the name here. So I'm going to just get the letters out. So his name is Gajjan. So G. We need a G. I'm wondering. So it's Gajjan. I'm just thinking about Gajj. If I put the JJs first, maybe. Not the J, yep. If I do the JJs first, then it will kind of centralise it, won't it? She says. I could have used a better clear block, but oh well. J. Oh, not bad. I could always go over it in Sharpie as well. Like it's blended into the handmade paper. JJ. Then A on either side. Find it easy to spell his name when he goes to school. Wondering if the actual, you know, the, what do you call it? The one where it's permanent, the ink is permanent. Oh, goodness me. Can't think of it. Is it VersaFine? You know, the VersaFine permanent ink. Maybe if that might have worked better on here. It's too late now though. We're already steaming ahead. Now we need an N. Is that an? No, that's a U. Oh, that's an N. Yep, that's an N. You can kind of get away with them, the letters being up and down, because it's quite forgiving, this font is. And then we've got S-I-N-G-H. S-I-N. So N is in the middle. We used an N already. Singh is the surname. Or shall I say the universal Sikh name? Or Singh means lion. I. Go back with the G. I could have lined it up really. I'm doing it individually, why not? I can't even see what I'm doing. We're just going for it, as you do. H. Oh, is that the right way or is it that way? No, I think it's this way. It's the first time I'm inking some of these as well, so the impression is going to be different. And then we need an S. Is there an S on this side? Oh, I hope there is an S. Can you see? Oh, right in front of me. Just do that slightly to the side. Lovely. Now, so we've got that sorted. That back. Oh, there we go. Right, that's done. I'm wondering, shall I go over it with yeah, let's go over it. So I've got the Sharpie pen, I've got the ultra fine point permanent marker. So Just going to do a dot. Oh, you still can't see it very well. Then another dot. Right, you know what? I might use a slightly thicker one. So instead of the ultra fine point, I'm going to use just the fine point. See if that makes a difference. So dot. Because this has got like a sheen coating on it, so it's not really standing up to anything, I don't think. That will be okay. Yeah, happy with that. Right. Next. So we've got that. Before we stick it down, I was thinking maybe we could attach. So I was going to use a brad first. Maybe we could do one of each. I have got more of these as well. What should we do? I don't think the silver one is going to go as much, is it? I say let's stick it on. I'm just going to get another one of these. I think stick it on with the Fabri-Tac. So I'll keep these like this in this box. So if you've seen the craft room tour, you notice that I've stuck what's inside the box, and I've separated it just like this in here. And there's like dummies over here. So yeah, let's just grab one of those. One will do. And you know what, I might actually include a button as well. That will look quite cute. Should go one up, one down. Kind of just to cover this splatter as well at the same time. Even though it looks cool, but right. Quite excited today. The children have learnt. I keep calling them children still. Look, need to tell myself off about that. The teens have started a class. So it's learning. It is actually learning Gurmukhi, which is what the Guru Granth Sahib Ji is written in. So it was their first class today. So Punjabi is our like mother tongue, but so they have, but since COVID we've not been able to restart that again. So they're just going straight to, and the teacher was quite impressed with their sounds, which is brilliant because I was helping them during COVID, but they got bored of me basically. I tried as much as I could to keep running the classes, but it's not the same, is it? You know what, that's screaming out to me for a button. So I reckon let's grab the button boxing that's right here. Button jar, sorry. Oh, so we could either do like a little shirt or a heart. The heart looks quite cute. Or we could go completely different and then do the black. Do you guys think? Actually, let's leave the shirt out a second. Oh, lost one. I got it, I got it. Didn't go very far. Don't worry, we saved it. Oh yeah, there was these teddy bear ones as well. That's really cute, actually. Yeah, that, definitely that one. Yep. Let's go for that. So I'm going to use the same, oh god, I'm going to do the same thing and use the fabric tack glue, because then it'll just, oh, sorry, excuse me, it'll just, oh great, now I've lost the lid to this. I really need to sort out my space, don't I? Oh gosh. Oh yeah, that fills that in lovely. Then maybe we could do a, you know, I quite like that there. So I was just thinking of maybe doing like a slither of a washi or something. I've got this shiny one. That's too bluey. That's too shiny, to be fair. Just looking over here through the washi. No, I don't think there's anything suitable. Right, let's have a look at what it looks like just as is. Baby boy Gajjan Singh. Yeah, that looks cool. I'm going to just use this fabric tack to adhere it. I'll look for the lid in a bit once we're done. Don't worry. We'll find you, lid. Don't you worry. Hiding from me it is. Hiding from me, that lid. Alright, I have to really squeeze hard. Got no energy in this hand. My grip strength is poor. Yeah, so did I tell you we're learning about anatomy at uni this semester, which will be exciting. I haven't got access to my modules at the moment, so I think I'm gonna be a little bit behind than everyone else again, unfortunately. That's okay. I'm just taking it as it comes, to be fair. Now this is what I love about making, I don't know, presents or even cards yourself. Like, you will never ever find something exactly the same as this. Like, for example, the card that we put it on, the way I'd done the lettering and everything, and then different people have different scissors and everything as well, so the whole thing, yeah, it gets me very excited. So I think that with that front is going to be done now, unless I put some ribbon on the edge, but it doesn't quite need it, does it? Doesn't really need it. I think I'm just going to stop there, and then I can decorate the envelope as well. But for now, I think that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for stopping by. Really appreciate it. And take care for now. Oh, and Dips, congratulations on the baby boy. You got your hands full now. Yeah, especially this is your number 3. Well, technically your number 4, bless you. All right then, you take care. Bye.